In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, in this you will understand about various forms of straight line equations. First one, point slope form. Let P x comma y be any point other than point A on a given line. The slope of the line joining A x1 y1 and P x comma y is given by M is tan theta, and that is, this is basically change in y divided by change in x. So change in y becomes y minus y1 divided by change in x becomes x minus x1. Either this way or we can also write it this way, y1 minus y divided by x1 minus x. Both are okay. Hence, the required equation of the line will become y minus y1 is equal to cross multiplying m times x minus x1. Next, 2-point form. Let the line L passes through the two given points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, and let P x comma y be a general point on L. The 3 points A, B, and P are collinear. Then we have slope of AP will be the same as slope of AB, which means first compare this P and A. So change in y becomes y minus y1, that is in the numerator, divided by denominator x minus x1, that I wrote it here. Then AB, slope of AB. So compare these two. Change in y is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. These two are same, which means that we can retain this y minus y1, take this x minus x1 to the right hand side. So it goes to the numerator. So that is another form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Next is slope intercept form. Consider axis x, y, y dash, x dash. This is the line, AB is the line. So from AB, we are plotting somewhere on AB a point P, which is x comma y, and draw a perpendicular that is up to M. Then wherever it meets that axis, that we are plotting it as D, point D, and the distance between OD and OD is considered to be C. That we call it as y-intercept. Right. Now, if we just look into this, this is angle theta. So tan theta will become opposite, that is OD divided by OT. No, I will not choose that. Let me choose the other one. If this is theta, even this also is theta. Here you just drawn a perpendicular to PM dn. So this tan theta we are going to evaluate. If I evaluate this tan theta, it becomes Pn divided by dn. Now what is Pn? Pn is nothing but Pm minus Nm. What is dn? Dn is nothing but Om. Now what is Pm? Pm is nothing but x. Nm is the same as OD divided by, this is again tan theta. Okay. And divided by OM. OM is nothing but, consider this OM. OM is nothing but x. I'm sorry, here PM is not x. I should have written y. PM is actually y. Because that is this distance, it should be y. So which means that x tan theta is equal to y minus OD. OD is nothing but C. That means y is x tan theta plus c. And we know tan theta is nothing but m, slope. So you can write mx plus c. That is the slope intercept form. Now, let us consider intercept form. Next one. Suppose a line L makes x-intercept and y-intercept on the axis a, 0 and b 0, b respectively, and let p, x, y be any point on the line L. Then see slope of PA will be the same as slope of AB. So slope of PA, if you consider, it is P and A, if you compare, it is change in Y, which is Y minus 0 divided by change in X, it is X minus A, is equal to slope of B. So change in Y is B minus 0 divided by change in X, 0 minus A. That means we have Y by X minus A is equal to B by minus A or minus B by A. So that means we can rewrite this as Y is equal to cross multiplying, we get minus BX plus AB divided by A. Again, cross multiplying, we will get AY is equal to minus BX, or let me bring that the minus BX to the left hand side. So we can write plus BX is equal to AB. Now divide both sides by AB. We get AY by AB plus BX by AB equal to AB by AB. So that becomes Y by B plus X by A equal to 1. Or we can write it in order. X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. This is the intercept form of representing a straight line equation.